TV. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. Please do want to subscribe. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make yummy yet stress-free mashed potatoes. So guys, let's get started. Here I have washed potatoes cut into wedges so as to quicken the cooking process. Pour into boiling water, add a little salt and cook until it's soft. Peel off the potato skin and blend alongside fried hot dog. Add a little milk in order to make it a bit fluffy. Spice it up with black pepper and oregano. Finally, mashed potatoes is ready. I love mine with creamy chicken sauce. So yummy. Thank you for spending your precious time with me. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.